The aesthetics of heavy machinery. Watch the video to the end. Massive excavator in quarry works, alongside smaller ones highlighting the star. Contrast in the size of mining equipment. John Deere grader cuts grass along the side of the road. A satisfying video for the eye. I love you. This giant crane gently backs down a steep incline. But in the next video, I will show you a much larger crane. This video is from the Mr. AJ Works channel. The backhoe driver is digging a ditch. It is quite interesting to watch this process. By the way, you can watch its full episodes by clicking on the tool tip. Look at the installation of the giant helmet at the nuclear power plant. It must be the biggest crane possible. This excavator is trying to get out of a body of water with its boom. This machine couldn't handle the load it was carrying. The bucket, with the load overbalanced, lifted the body into the air and hit the ground. The wheels broke off from the impact. Watch as the crane operator saves the excavator from falling off a cliff. Luckily, everything ended well. By the way, be sure to watch the video to the end. At the end of the video, I will show you the heavy equipment that will blow your mind. And this operator decided to hold the machine with his boom, but the ground was too soft, and the boom sank into the ground. I think it's pretty creepy to encounter such a huge machine on the road sitting in your sedan. See how huge bulldozer shifts a multi-ton mass of soil in a single movement. And this is the process of unloading multi-ton marble blocks. The power of this equipment is amazing. Two excavators connected by a metal rope help the crane to drive up the hill. I love you. This is how the slope is cleared at the ski resort, with the help of machinery. This rock ripper is a construction machine designed for the preliminary loosening of heavy, stony, and frozen soils. The appearance of this equipment is impressive, but it is a child's toy compared to what I have prepared for you. At the end of this video, watch to the end. Look at the process of loading the bulldozer onto a heavy equipment trailer for further transport. This is the presentation of the new models from Komatsu. The excavators are crossing a body of water. They may well have special pontoons installed so that they can stay on the water. Maybe I'm wrong. Write in the comments if you know how it works. Take a look at the process of loading a truck with sand. I especially like how the back cooperator removes the top of the sand pile. Compare the size of the truck to this giant excavator. How many tons at a time can its bucket scoop up? Write in the comments. It's time for this excavator to update its bucket. Notice how deformed its bucket is from many hours of hard work. Here's another video from the marble cut. See what size marble blocks are mine. Check out the brand new bulldozers from Caterpillar. The work of such a huge machine is mesmerizing. We are almost at the end very soon. I will show you the biggest equipment in the world. The electric rope shovel is a powerful mining machine. Because of its massive size, this electric shovel is designed to efficiently dig and load large amounts of material in the mining industry. Another video about the rock ripper, and here we come to the end of the video. Get ready now. I will show you the equipment that will blow your mind. Sometimes you can get to the red hot magma mining. Look at this excavator, which is capable of lowering its bucket to great depths. And this excavator operator seems to have reached the master level and can climb vertical surfaces. It looks like this equipment was overloaded, and the wheels couldn't handle the load. Those steel cables couldn't take the strain, and just burst next. I will show you a small selection of falls of heavy equipment. Watch the video to the end. I love you. And these machines are designed to splash water. During rock explosions, this is to extinguish the dust. Would you like a mini excavator like this? Write in the comments. Every machine needs care, even if it's bigger than a house. This is so good for you. This is how building removal is done with excavators. This truck makes an embankment for the highway. With the help of a hydraulic system, The body tilts to the side and pours out the sand. This machine, which looks like a Mars rover, is designed to cut down trees. And this is a marble quarry. Look how huge marble blocks are extracted with heavy equipment. This Mensi Mook or walking excavator. The feature of this excavator is its movable chassis, which easily adapts to the most uneven surface and terrain. That's how easily the bulldozer can clear over grown landscapes for further ground development. Compare the size of the excavator against the backdrop of the dump truck. Immediately, the size of such a machine becomes clear. But next I will show you even bigger equipment. Watch the video to the end. This is how concrete piles are driven into the ground, with a hydraulic hammer. For such a large machine, a man cannot replace the tires by hand. For this you need special equipment. In this video, I also offer you to feel the size of an excavator in front of a dump truck. We are nearing the end of the video. Soon I will show you the monster of the industry. This is how excavation works in the sea. This is a giant hydraulic jackhammer, designed to loosen the soil. I love you. Oh my God. This giant PC4000 from Komatsu is big enough to impress anybody, especially if you see this machine in person, but even it is small compared to the next giant. Introducing the huge bucket wheel, a shopping mall-sized rotary excavator designed to dig rock in quarries. This little guy is worth $100 million. The Caterpillar D11 is a large bulldozer designed for heavy-duty earth-moving applications. It is equipped with a powerful engine, a large blade, and a robust undercarriage that allows it to push large amounts of dirt and rocks and other materials with ease. The D11 is widely used in mining, construction, and other industries that require heavy equipment for excavation and site preparation. Powerful and strong heavy equipment can easily move massive amounts of materials. With robust engines and hydraulics, they are vital in many industries. The Komatsu 4100 DAX BC is a large electric mining shovel used for excavating minerals and other materials. With a massive bucket and powerful electric motors, it can move huge amounts of earth and rock in a single scoop. The 4100 XBC is known for its high reliability and efficiency, making it a popular choice among mining companies around the world. Circle Loaders demonstrates the power of its log loader in action, demonstrating its ability to lift and transport logs efficiently and, in this case, hay bales. Be sure to watch the video all the way to the end. I will show even bigger machines ahead. The Caterpillar 797F is a large off-highway, ultra-class dump truck used in mining and heavy construction. It has a massive payload capacity and is equipped with advanced features, such as an AC drive system, to maximize efficiency and productivity. This excavator driver is like a real captain of his ship. He doesn't leave the ship even when it is sinking. The Cat D10 is a large bulldozer used for heavy-duty, earth-moving applications, such as mining and construction. This bulldozer is equipped with a single shank ripper, and its blade can be adjusted electronically for improved accuracy and control. Look at the steep slope this logging machine drives down. This operator's craftsmanship is top-notch. While heavy machines are primarily designed for function and utility, many people find them aesthetically appealing as well. The massive size, intricate engineering, and impressive power of these machines can be admired and even beautiful in their own way. The Terex RH400 is a monstrous hydraulic mining excavator, often called the Kraken, due to its colossal size and impressive power. It is one of the largest hydraulic excavators in the world. The Terex is a true engineering marvel that showcases the extraordinary capabilities of modern, heavy machinery. Look at how this crane paces. Write in the comments what is the name of this crane. I couldn't find any information about it. Watch the video to the end. I'm going to show you one of the biggest heavy equipment crashes ever. I promise it will be epic. This BelAZ is a giant among heavy machinery, known for its massive size and impressive power. It is the largest dump truck in the world, measuring over 20 meters in length, and weighing a staggering 450 metric tons (Win-MT). The BelAZ is a true testament to the incredible feats of engineering that modern heavy machinery can achieve. I love you. No. Watch an excavator help to stuck bulldozers get out of the mud. Logging wood can be a very extreme job. It requires equipment for hard-to-reach places. See how easily these machines get through such terrain. This video shows an excavator and a small bulldozer working together to dig the soil for a foundation. The excavator uses its large bucket to scoop up earth and deposit it to the side, while the bulldozer falls closely behind, using its bucket to pick up the soil and pile it up for the excavator to use again. The efficient teamwork of these two machines allows for quick and precise excavation, demonstrating the benefits of heavy machinery in construction projects. This is how railroad bridges are built with the girder erection machine. The video depicts a cargo ship attempting to maneuver through a port, but in the process, it hooks onto a large loading crane with its stern. The crane, unable to withstand the weight of the ship, collapses under the force, falling to the ground. See how the powerful D11 bike at bulldozer handles in a tug-of-war against 4 heavy machines. There's nothing more exciting than a video of heavy equipment demolishing a building. There are no impassable obstacles for an excavator. With a pneumatic bucket and crawler tracks, this machine is able to get anywhere. It is also important to note that the operator must be highly qualified to perform such actions. Look at those vast teeth on the bucket. Maybe they have a specific name. If you know, write a comment. Because of the high overload, the tire on this machine couldn't handle it and just blew out. This is actually very dangerous, because due to the high friction of the rubber, it can catch fire at any time. In the world of heavy machinery, there is much equipment that can impress you. Don't switch the video and watch to the end. Next, I'll show you more impressive, huge machines that you haven't seen. At first glance, this video may raise a lot of questions for you. But these are just toys taken from a good angle. This is the Big Bud, the biggest tractor in the world. We have a video on the channel about this monster. Be sure to check it out. I did a little searching on the internet, but could not find information about these braces that are installed on the tracks. If you know what it is for, please write a comment. Feel the size of this giant against the human height. The size is impressive. I love you. And this is a whole army of bridge removal. I associate this video with, if machines take over humanity and start living their lives. The Caterpillar 7495 is a mining shovel designed for large-scale mining operations. With a maximum payload capacity of 120 tons, the 7495 is capable of moving massive amounts of material quickly and efficiently. The Komatsu PC-01E is a compact excavator designed for small-scale excavation projects. With its compact size and lightweight design, it's easy to transport to job sites and maneuver in tight spaces. Despite its small size, the PC-01E is a powerful machine, capable of digging to depths of up to 5.5 feet and reaching up to 9.5 feet. Would you like a toy like this? Write in the comments how you would use it. This video shows the power of bulldozers such as Dresta and Liebherr, hitched together by a metal cable. These machines merged into one power to move a huge metal structure. The CAT D90 bulldozer is an incredible machine that can move mountains, or in this case to massive stones. The Liebherr 974 excavator is a force to be reckoned with when it comes to dismantling buildings. With its powerful bucket, the excavator makes quick work of even the most stubborn structures. The CONT 773D is a huge dump truck that requires a specially designed low-bed truck for transportation. The site of the CAT 773D on the back of a low-bed truck is both impressive and intimidating, a reminder of the incredible power of modern construction equipment. Large, heavy machines are the backbone of modern construction. They are capable of performing incredible feats, such as moving massive amounts of dirt or demolishing entire buildings. Watching these machines in action is a sight to behold, as they exhibit incredible power and precision. However, their operation requires a high level of expertise to ensure safety and efficiency. These machines are a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement, reminding us of our ability to overcome even the most challenging obstacles. So next time you witness one of these big, heavy machines at work, take a moment to appreciate the incredible engineering and skill involved in their operation. They are truly a marvel of modern construction. The powerful Vermeer T955 crawler trencher is designed for the toughest trenching jobs, and the chain attachment makes it easy to dig soil, rock, and other materials. With a maximum digging depth of 10 feet and up to 36 inches wide, the T955 is ideal for laying pipelines, cables, and other underground utilities. This video perfectly captures the size of the Volvo backhoe bucket against the backdrop of the dump truck cab. At first glance, this excavator should be completely bogged down in this swamp, but why is it holding on to the surface? If you have information, write in the comments. The excavator driver deftly maneuvers the bucket to pick up the loose track and carefully sets it in place, showcasing his expertise. But if that doesn't impress you, watch the next video. The skilled and determined girl excavator driver deftly picks up the loose track and expertly maneuvers it into place, demonstrating that gender is not a hindrance to excelling in male-dominated fields. What do you think? Is that an impressive too? Then how about this? The 13-year-old child expertly handles the excavator with remarkable skill and confidence, displaying their natural talent and dedicated practice in heavy machinery operation. I love you. This truck, fully loaded with logs, would have fallen over if not for the reliable support from the backhoe. This turn was on the verge of a foul, but it all worked out. Take a look at a skills demonstration for excavator drivers at the same machinery show. What kind of machine do you think is being transported on a low bed trailer? Write in the comments. See how a male excavator attracts a female during mating season. And in this video, a male excavator is defending his territory from a different kind of excavator. And here's another video that perfectly captures the feel of the bucket size of a huge electric rope excavator. The PNDH 4800 XBC is an ultra-class electric rope shovel used in the mining industry. with a bucket capacity of up to 135 tons. It's one of the largest and most powerful shovels in the world. This is a question for the viewers of this video. What do you think this black stuff is? Write in the comments. The excavator's bucket is a crucial component that greatly enhances its passability. In various terrains, the bucket is designed to dig, scoop and transport large volumes of earth, rocks and other materials with ease. Thanks to the bucket, excavators can traverse through soft soil, hard rock and other challenging environments. Excavator drivers are often called upon to perform difficult and complex tasks, but sometimes they are called upon to do something unexpected. In one such instance, an excavator driver was working on a construction site when he noticed a dog stuck in a deep hole. This bulldozer heavyweight is climbing onto a low bed trailer for onward transport. The CAT D176 bulldozer is a powerful piece of heavy equipment that is designed to handle a variety of tasks. This bulldozer has a blade that is 12 feet wide and 4 feet high, which makes it ideal for moving large amounts of earth and other materials. In cold weather, waterworks can often become clogged with floating ice floes, which can cause damage and disrupt the flow of water. In one instance, an excavator driver was called upon to clear a passage in a river that was clogged with floating ice. The CAT 836H is equipped with iron wheels with large cogs. These wheels are designed for use on rough terrain and provide excellent traction and stability in challenging conditions. In conclusion, we have seen the incredible power and versatility of heavy machines, such as bulldozers and excavators. These machines are essential for many industries, including construction, mining and infrastructure development. From moving large amounts of dirt and rock to breaking through tough surfaces, bulldozers and excavators can accomplish tasks that would be impossible with human labor alone. We hope you have enjoyed watching this video and learning more about these impressive machines. If you found this video informative or entertaining, please consider liking it and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you will help us continue to produce high-quality content about the world of heavy machinery. Thank you for watching.
Bye!